Hi, welcome back to our class. This is grade 10th mathematics. We are learning pair of linear equation, two variables. In this, we have learned already elimination method, substitution method, and cross multiplication method. We have done it. And in the last class, we have learned all the cross multiplication problems, like the techniques, how to find the x and y values, and as well as that method we have learned it, and we have seen some models. And in this class, we are going to learn some word problems which are relevant to that one. And in the last class, we have learned it how like a coincident uh, intersecting lines and parallel lines. We have seen that, and the condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2.
Divided by C2.
And we have learned consistent, inconsistent, everything we have learned it. And today we're going to learn some application oriented questions. Come on. Now, actually, if you see the textbook, there are the questions already, it is there. But even though the questions which is from outside the book, if you learn, then content will be developed a lot. Content will be developed a lot. See, whatever the question, if you take it, see, we have to try elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication randomly. Because in board exam, they might ask any type of method. So we should be ready for any type of method, right? And also, uh, graphical method I have to teach you, and reducible method side by side it will become. Okay. Now let me take some word problems based on this one. Right. This already we have done it. 5 years ages problems we have done it. And see, I remember this was a question was asked last exams. I remember. Say because region to region the paper will be changed, but I have seen this paper. This question was asked. Then if you see the ratio of the incomes of two persons 9:7. See 9:7, and the ratio of the expenditure is 4:3. What is that? The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2,000 rupees per month, find her monthly incomes. See, first of all, we need to keep in our mind. See, what is given, what to find it. See, income, expenditure is equal to saving. That one thing. From the income, if you subtract expenditure, that saving will become. So let us know the incomes of two persons are 9:7, right? So let us take the ratio is 9x and 7x. So 9x and 7x, and the expenditures are 4y, 3y. So 9x. So there are two persons. So person one and person two. So person one 9x income and 4y expenditure. So for 9x minus 4y, which is equal to 2000. And next, person two. This is person two. See, person two, what do you say? 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Then after that, nobody will ask you, you have to do elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. See, whichever the method is comfortable to you, you can adopt it. Then after that, that's up to you, whichever the method if you do. Then after that, please cross check it out, whether you got correct answer or not. And whenever the question it is given, till last, please read the question. Sometimes they'll give the some twist in the at last. At last they will give the twist. So no hurry burry. So remember, whenever the question is given, please read the question thoroughly. If possible, do it in rough column. What is given, what they're asking. Okay. And another thing, don't do everything in the rough column and copy. Don't copy everything in the fair column. If you do from the rough column, it is also going for malpractice. And second thing, everything if you do rough column and only if you write your answer, then your fair column, whatever is the answer only, for that only mark will be given. Rough column, even if you do full solution answer, they will not give the mark. That's number one. Number two, method till last, whatever you're following, please follow the same method. Don't take too many methods in the same question. Good. Next one, read the question till last. Whatever they're asking, what they're asking, clearly mention it. And next, step four. What is the next four? Next to number four, what is that? If it is 4 mark question, please write 4 mark worth the answer. See this 9x, 7x, 4y, 3y, everything should be defined. See, once if you define it, the correction, whoever is doing that one, he will be impressed. He will give half to 1 mark. And definitely you're framing this equation, they will give half to 1 mark. Then after the method, then after the solution, at last, find their monthly incomes. Is it clearly? So please don't forget to write the monthly incomes are. See, monthly incomes are. Therefore, the monthly incomes of the two persons are rupees 18,000 and 14,000. Please don't forget to write it. And this is the verification. Clearly, they said it. So verification also, please cross check it out. If you follow these methods, whatever it's 3 mark or 4 mark, it is in your hand. Suppose if you are writing step by step, some steps, and you are saying that I will be eligible, I will get everything, then finally you will not get the mark because you did not follow the steps. So children, please remember till that last minute, every step you are supposed to follow and don't neglect any step. Okay. And remember, first step and last step of this answer is very, very important. Then only you will get the marks. Right? Fine. Now come
Yes,
back
sir.
to the. So are you understanding, man? This,
Yes, sir.
if you follow the techniques, then definitely your marks will be there. Otherwise, I'm sorry. Okay. And I think so. This ages problem, this all we completed, I suppose. Okay.
Yes, sir. It is done.
We have completed those.
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll go for next. Remember one thing. Example sums, everything. Please import it. It is compulsory. You're supposed to learn it.
Yes, sir.
Example. And this first Roman, second Roman models, everything we have done it in the last class. And here, right, we'll take this one. This question, we'll take it now. So from NCERT, we are going to take it now. So a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed, and the remaining depend upon the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay 1,000 rupees as hostel charges. Whereas student B, who takes food for 26 days, pays 1,180 rupees as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost per food. Remember, these kind of questions actually, logic sometimes will be there, sometimes no logic. But even though we have to learn the complete question answer. Now, when you are seeing this one, see, as a hostel fees, when you are coming, when you are paying that outside, when you are coming out, you are paying some hostel charges. Hostel charges, there are two. One is fixed and another one is variable. So this variable charges, it is depend upon the days, how many days you are going to stay after that fixed. For example, when you are hiring a taxi, see now recently new packages come. 4 kilometers some 400 rupees, 6 kilometers some 600 rupees, 8 kilometers, sorry, 8 kilometers 800 rupees, or 4 hours 400, 6 hours 600, 8 hours 800, such kind of concepts has come. So beyond that 8 hours, suppose if you go for 8.5 hours, 9th hour, then additionally you have to pay some 150 rupees like that, plus road tax or toll gate charge, plus driver amount we are supposed to pay. So this all there. See this 800, whatever it is, 600, 400. See, these are fixed. Apart from that, these are called variable charges. And this also called variable charges. Variable charges is different. And even though, suppose if you have got a job, if you got a job, you are a techie. In the sense, you are a software engineer. Say you are a software engineer, you are fixed for some 90,000 salary. In 90,000, they will make it some 56,000 or 60,000. They will make it some fixed charges. Then they will show the 90,000. The balance 34 is variable amount. So this
Yes, sir.
variable amount will be based on the company profits. So in this 34,000 also there will be cuttings will be there, PF will be there, HRA will be there, and the tax will be there. Some kind of things will be there, even insurance policies, everything included. And this one profit and loss, some depend upon the companies also will be there. based on that one. This 56,000 is fixed. It will be definitely will come. But this 34,000 will be come or not, that is depends. But they will show the salary as 90,000. So everywhere, wherever you go, this is fixed plus variable charges. And even though if you collect a product, if you purchase, suppose one toothpaste, if you take the toothpaste, the original packet, original when you take manufacturing price will be different and variable price is different. So manufacturing price, if you take it some, if it is a cost of 35 rupees, it is manufacturing around 20, 22 only will be there, or 17 only will be there, not like 32, 33. So manufacturing price is very less. Then when it is coming to the market, it means it is releasing to the market. Then there are the lot of taxes will be there. This all the taxes together, variable price will be there. Some if you see the cool drinks, see inside the India, suppose 35 rupees. Outside the India, it is maybe 32 rupees like that, or 40 rupees like that will be there. So depend upon the taxes. So everywhere, whenever you see that there will be fixed charges, some variable charges will be there. India, we are paying all the taxes, so there will be some variable charges everywhere will be there. Okay. Now say this fixed and variable. Now as a part of this one, hostel charges, fixed plus variable, fixed plus variable. Now if you take the fixed for 20 days, we don't know how much has to pay, but she is paying totally 1,000 rupees. Are you understanding, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So now a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends upon the number of days one has taken food in the mess. Now, say, can you tell me how to do this sum? Just can you tell me? Because your idea is important. Why will take a minute time? Only a minute time. Don't take too much time.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will take fixed charge as Y,
Okay.
and X will be the cost of food per day.
Okay.
Hostel charges.
Say that's up to you. So whatever is, see, fixed
Sir,
charge.
then we will get 20x plus y is equal to 100. It 1000. Sorry, it will be the first equation.
Okay. See, Vaibhav, you see here, hostel charges by
Oh,
student
yes,
A.
sir.
Student A.
Yes,
Student
sir. Student A.
student A, there will be fixed and variable charges. So
Yes, sir.
as what you said, okay, I'm taking X rupees. So
Sir,
X rupees,
then 20x plus y is equal to 1000.
say I have taken variable charges Y rupees per day.
Yes, sir.
So 20Y, which is equal 1,000.
1000.
Then student B, it will be X plus
X plus
26,
26y is equal to 1000.
1180.
1180. Sorry, sir.
Then we can see, we can do elimination method. Am I right, ma? We
Yes,
can
sir.
do substitution method. We can do cross multiplication method. No issue. So I'm taking elimination method. When I'm taking elimination method, what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the subtract the both equations. When I'm subtract this both, this minus minus, change the symbols.
Yes, sir.
Then XX gets cancelled.
X
20
cancel.
minus 26
Minus 6
minus 6Y is equal to 9.
y plus minus 180.
Okay. Y is equal to
Minus 180 by 6.
minus 180
Minus
minus
30,
6.
minus get 30.
30 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This 30 rupees Y value, you can substitute any one of this, either this or this.
Yes, sir.
So if you substitute, what you will get it now? So I'm taking the first equation. So X plus
X
20,
plus 20 by 330 is equal to 1000. That is 600 plus y
400 rupees.
400. Yes, sir.
So the monthly fixed charges,
400 rupees.
fixed charges will be rupees
400 rupees.
Okay. So per day charges, rupees 30. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
So are we clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this type of questions, if it comes, please don't confuse.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Yash scored this question. Yash scored this question. You take it now. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for wrong answer. So this question is based on that right answers, wrong answers. So we don't know number of right answers, how many are there.
Yes, sir. So we will take X right answers, and we don't know about wrong answers also. So we will take wrong answers Y as
Okay, number of wrong answers will be Y.
Y.
Okay, then we have to go for case 1. So case 1.
Uh,
Case 1, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for wrong answer. Then
yes,
you
sir.
got 40 marks. So then
Um, 3x plus no
3x minus
3x minus Y is equal to 40.
40 marks. Then case 2. Case 2, had 4 marks been awarded for correct answer. So it is 4x
4x
plus 2y.
plus 2y, because 2 marks were deducted also, is equal to 50. 80, 80, 80.
Is it 50 only? No?
50. 50, yes, sir, 50.
Right. Then from here, I am going to do 3x minus 40 is equal to y.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to substitute. So I'm following which method now?
Mm,
Substitution method.
Substitution method.
Because previous problem we have done it elimination method. That's it.
Elimination.
Then 4x minus 2 into 3x minus 40 is equal to 50. Then 4x minus 6x plus 80 is equal to 50. Then minus 2x plus 30 is equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 30. Then x equal to 15. If x equal to 15, what you'll get it? 3 into 15 minus 40 is equal to y.
1.
And y is equal to 5.
5.
So number of right answers?
5.
No.
Number of right answers?
15.
15. 15.
Number of wrong answers?
5.
Right. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir. Sir, please scroll back. I have to write.
Yeah,
Sir.
please. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm moving to the next question.
Yes, sir.
So places this question. So no space. I'm going to the next place. So next question, ma. So do you know this question how to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you help me?
Sir, sir, it is written cast. We will take speed of car as at a at a point the car starts at x speed. We will take x speed till.
Okay, listen. See, there are two places, A and B. Okay, place A, place
Yes,
A,
sir. Place
and
B.
place B. So place A and place B. Now A and B are 100 kilometer apart on a highway. So on a highway, the distance between them is 100 kilometers.
100 kilometer.
Okay, one car starts from A, another car starts B at the same time.
Yes, sir.
So if the car travels in the same direction, it means both the cars are going in the same direction. Both
Yes,
the
sir.
cars are going in the same directions, in the same at different speeds. They meet in 5 hours. They meet in. Suppose if they travel both of them opposite direction, they will meet in 1 hour. If they go this one, they'll meet in 5 hours. If they go like this, they will meet in 1 hour. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then how to do?
Sir, we will take the speed of car at 8b x kilometer per hour, and speed of car at B will be y kilometer per hour.
Okay. So speed of 5 kilometer per hour or what? What do you mean?
5. Yes, sir.
So can you give me the steps like?
Sir, then we will write. It is given that at 8 at A it has 5. So we will take 5x minus 5y is equal to 100 because it will take 5 hours each.
So now what I have to write it now?
Sir, we have to write 5x.
Why we need to write 5x?
Sir, because they have same time speed at, because it is written 5 hours. So we will take each as 5.
Okay. So then, what concept you are taking actually? Velocity concept or like a speed concept or what you are taking?
The speed concept, I think so.
Okay. Don't think so. Come on. What is speed concept?
Distance by time.
Distance by time. So let the speed of the car one. So shall we take it x kilometer per hour?
Yes, sir.
This is x kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of this one? We'll take it at 5 kilometer per hour. Is it okay? Or
Yes,
will
sir.
think? Correct only no?
Yes.
So now in this case, when they are moving in the same direction, actually when we are taking this one, see in physics there is a word will become relative speed. Relative speed will become. So when they are moving in the same direction, then we are supposed to take it. Then the difference between the speed of the cars. So when they are moving, so relative speed, it will be x minus y. Are you clear, ma? Relative speed in this case one,
Yes.
we are going to take it x minus y. In this case, we are going to take it x plus y. So in the same direction, we will take positive. In the different direction, we will take it negative. Sorry, in the same direction negative. In the different direction, we will take it positive. It means opposite directions. Are you clear now? Once again,
Yes, sir.
if you are taking in the same direction, if they are moving in the same direction like this, then we are taking negative. So we know that here velocity is equal to distance by time. So relative velocity we are going to take it actually. Relative velocity x minus y is equal to distance is 100 by 5. So then first one we are going to get it as x minus y is equal to 100 by 5, 20. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The next, what we will take it now? X minus y, this is number one. So relative speed when the cars are moving in the different direction, in the sense opposite direction, in the case two. Then this one, how to take it? Say in this case, x plus y is equal to distance is 100, but they will meet in 1 hour. Am I right, ma? They will meet in 1
Yes,
hour.
sir.
So x plus y is equal to 100 by 1. So x plus y is equal to 100. So this is number 2. Have you understood x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100?
Yes, sir.
So then we will take like these two. So what we will take it? X minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100.
50. 100.
Right? So now what we will take it now? Do the elimination method. So when you do the elimination method, y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 120, then x is equal to 60.
60.
If x is equal to 60, so we have equation 1, equation 2. So you can write it anything. So x 60 minus y is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 40. Right? So the speed of the car A is 60 km per hour,
Yes, sir.
and the speed is 40 km per hour. Got it, man?
Yes, sir.
So here speed of the car. Remember, sometimes people will be get confused. Sir, here I write 40, sir. Here I write 60, sir. See, thing is that 40 and 60, 40 and 60. See, if the car speed of the car A is lesser than the speed of the car B, chances are very less they will not meet at all, because the speed is more. The speed is more, this car will be go very fastly. You cannot meet because this is very low speed, and the distance between them is 100 kilometers. And suppose if you take 60, this is 40, now they can meet it. So this is one way of cross checking. Next, another question. So the area of the rectangle, see, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Area of the rectangle. So we know that area of the rectangle. So let us take that. Say, let us assume that the side of the rectangle, it means length. Length is x, breadth is y. You please take it x and y. So please write it x and y like. So length is x, breadth is y like that. Now, if its length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is increased by 3 units. So case one, what happens? Say length we took x, so x, and breadth is y. So then area. So now this concept, what is it? Length is, if its length is reduced by 5 units, so x minus 5, and breadth is increased by 3 units, then the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Now I confused what to take it now. What to take it, ma?
Sir,
Remember, actually area of the rectangle is xy.
XY.
Now, he said area of the rectangle reduced by 9. So, now it is minus 9. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this case, what we can take it?
Sir, then it is written length is reduced by 7 square. Sir. Length is reduced by 5 units. Yes, sir.
Correct only, no? I have done it, right? So, multiply x into y,
Yes, sir.
xy, x
XY
into 3x minus 5y
minus 6 is equal to 15.
minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9.
XY minus 9.
Xy cancel. Then 3x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6 units. Number 1.
6.
Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now, case 2, we are supposed to take it. Case 2. If we increase length by 3 units, so it is x plus 3. Breadth by 2 units, so y plus 2. Then area increases by 67 units. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then what we will take it now? X plus 3 into y plus 2 into x plus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to xy plus 67. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So xy plus 2x plus 3y
Mine. Yes, sir.
plus 6 is
Plus
equal
6
to
is equal
xy.
to XY plus 6.
How I am doing? X into whole.
Yes, sir.
Then 3 into whole. Then xy gets cancelled both sides. Then 2x
2x
y,
plus 3y is equal to 61.
right? So can you do elimination method?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answers fastly.
Sir, can't we use cross multiplication method in it?
Your wish, you can use it.
Okay, sir.
Your wish, whichever method you would like to take. Sir, I will do graphical method. No problem. Make it fast, ma.
Sir, mine X is coming 17 and Y is coming line. Sir, length is 17 and Y is 9.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No, sir. No doubt.
Can you tell me what is the value of x?
Sir, 17.
X value 17. Y value?
Yes, sir. Sir, 9.
So can you check it out, cross check it out, whether it is correct or not?
Okay, sir.
Which method you have done it?
Sir, cross multiplication.
Oh, very good. Because I'm just following you. I'm not doing the sum.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's correct.
Correct, right? Very good. So
Yes, sir.
this is correct only. So cross multiplication method, we got x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 9. So what
9.
is x stands for?
Length. Length.
Length of what?
Length of the rectangle.
So x stands for length of the rectangle. Please write at last. Length of the rectangle.
Yes, sir.
What is y stands for?
Sir, breadth of the rectangle.
Breadth of the rectangle. Please write the steps. Okay. So if you see the textbook sums, almost we have completed. You see,
Yes, sir.
I have completed including example sums, and we are going for reducible method. So instead of that one, I'm going for some a different one. Okay. See, this one already we have done it. The sum of two numbers is and all we have done it long back. 2-digit number questions we have done it. Fraction problems we have done it. Age related sums also we have done it. Speed distance. Speed distance we are supposed to do that. Okay. So we will do the speed distance problem also.
Sir, we have done one question from it.
Yeah, second question we have done it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will do actually question number 2 and question number 3 both are same. Both are same. This both are same. So we have done question number 2. Okay. Then no need. Then you can do question number 3. Take a snapshot.
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. Take a screenshot. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm going to do question number 4. A train covered a distance at a uniform speed. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train was slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. So can you help me? Have you understood now?
Sir, the time. Sir, can we do with speed method?
Anyhow, we have to know the formula. Velocity is equal to distance by time.
Distance by time.
Is equal
So
to
first we don't know. First we have to find time.
velocity into time. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
distance is equal to velocity into time. A train covered at certain distance at a uniform speed. So distance. So we don't know. If the train would have taken would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. 2 hours less than the scheduled time.
Yes, sir.
See, anyhow, so let the speed of the what you will take it. The speed of this or velocity of the train is x, and the time taken is y. So
Y.
this is x kilometer per hour and y hours.
Y hours.
Okay. Now every case, you just imagine distance is common. Distance is common. Say Mumbai to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Mumbai. If you to and fro, both same.
Yes, sir.
So then now case one. I'm going for the case one. So case one. See case one, what is happening? Distance is common one. Distance is t. So then velocity. What happens? The speed of the train 10 kilometer per faster. So now the speed will be x plus 10. Right?
Yes, sir.
And it will have taken 2 hours less. 2 hours. So what do you take it? 2 hours means y minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Then is equal to the distance is from here xy. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then here we will take it in this case xy because the distance is common feature.
Yes,
So
sir.
then we'll multiply x into y xy. Then x into 2 minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equal to xy. So xy cancel both sides. Then minus 2x plus 10y which is equal to 20. Then with the two table cancel minus x plus 5y is equal to 10. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then case 2. Case 2, what happens now? See, and if the train was slower by 10 kilometer per hour, so train was slower. So it means x minus 10. It would have taken 3 hours more. So y plus 3, which is equal to xy. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then multiply x with y plus 3. So x into y, xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30, which is equal to xy. Both sides xy cancel. Then 3x minus 10y, which is equal to 30. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the equations we have? Two equations we have. Number one and number two. Can you solve it and tell me? You take your wish, whichever the method you are taking. No,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you please take it. Or you can take this as number one. No, instead of this one. You can take this also.
Yes, sir.
What do you have got it? X value?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes. Please.
Sir, timing will be 12 hours, and the distance is 600 kilometers. And the uh, x is 50.
X is 50. So the
X is 50,
velocity.
y is 12 hours, and distance is 600 kilometer.
So X is 50.
X is 50 kilometer per hour.
Then Y is 12.
12 hours.
And the distance is equal to 600 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
So the speed of the train is 50 initially. Find the distance covered by the train. Distance covered by the train is 600.
600.
That's all. So you're not confused, right?
No, sir.
Right. Next, one more question. See, upstream question, downstream question we will do later.
Okay, sir.
So this one already we have done this model. Two places A and B. This we have done it.
Yes,
Both
sir.
this upstream, downstream. Okay, this will go. This will take this question. Partly by train, partly by this one. Long back, not long back. Last 2 years back, I think so. This question was asked in the board exam. So, do you know this answer? A man travels 370 kilometers by train and partly by car. If he covers 250 kilometers by train and the rest by car, so is moving to the destination. Some distance is covering. We don't know the distance, how much is going to cover. So partly by train and partly by another transport is car. Okay,
Car.
right.
Yes, sir.
A man travels 370 kilometers partly by train, partly by car. If he covers 250 kilometers by train and the rest by car, so totally 370 kilometers distance.
Yes, sir.
So now case one. Case one, train 250 kilometers and balance is 120 by car.
Yes, sir.
Then he takes the total time for 4 hours. Got it? Then case
Yes,
two.
sir.
So before going to the case one, let us complete these 4 hours. So it is given that total time, but here distance is given. See, we know that velocity is equal to distance by time, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Then distance is equal to velocity, but sorry, time is equal to
Time is equal to distance by velocity.
distance by velocity. Okay. So now we don't know the speed of the train. Let us suppose this is x kilometer per hour, and speed of the car is 5 kilometer per
5
hour.
kilometer.
So distance here 250 by train. So x. And this one 120
120 by y.
is equal to 4 hours.
4
Because
hours.
this is also time and this is also time. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then case 2. Case 2, what we will take it now? 130 kilometer by train, the rest by car. So 130 kilometers. Plus balance is 240. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Now in this case, what we will take it total time? It takes 18 minutes longer.
18.
18 minutes longer. So 4 hours plus 18 minutes. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now 18 minutes longer compared to that one only. So now 130 kilometers. Now what you will take it? 130 by x
130 by x.
plus 240 by
240 by y is equal to
4
20.
plus 18 by 60.
18 by 60.
Why? Because this is in hours.
In hours, yes, sir.
This also should be in hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes.
60
Then 18
minutes.
minutes, how many hours? So 18 by 60. So 6 3s are 6 10s are. Got it, ma'am? 6 3s are
Yes,
6.
sir.
Then 4 3 by 10. 10 4s are 40 plus 3.
40,
3 by 10.
43 by 10.
10 hours. Now, actually, we are going to do the like a reducible method. See, what I am taking now, 1 by x as u, 1 by y is b. Then we will get it now.
Yes, sir.
250 x, 120, sorry, 250 u, 120 b is equal to 4. This is number 1. And here, 130 u plus 240 v, which is equal to 43 by 10. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Then we have two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So what method you want to do? Elimination method shall we do, or substitution method will do, or cross multiplication method will do?
A substitution.
That's up to you. Can you do it and tell me?
Yes, sir.
I suggest this type of long calculation, better go for elimination. Actually, I'll say.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, the car runs at um, 80 kilometer per hour and
Train.
uh, yes, sir.
What about the train?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, train is 100 kilometer per hour.
Sure.
Yes, sir, 100%.
80. Okay. Are you sure, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we check it out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say 250 by x, right? So 250 by 100
100,
plus 120 by 80.
80,
0 0 cancel. 4 3s are 4 2s are.
2000,
And 0 0 cancel. 5 5s are 5 2s are.
5 2 30,
5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 8 by 2. 4.
8 by 4 by.
And in this also I'll check it out. 130 by 100. So it is 13 by 10. 13 by 10.
Yes, sir.
40 by 80.
20 to 40 by 80.
So then
8,
80.
8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 3s
8,
are.
8. So 13 by 10 plus 3.
Yes, sir.
30 plus 3.
16,
30 plus 43. 43 by 10.
43.
Correct. So what is the speed of the train? 100 kilometer per hour.
100 kilometer per
Now
hour,
the car
80
is
kilometer.
80 kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
So you are doing very good. You are doing very good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. We'll take another question. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here we are covering reducible method also at a stretch. Okay, this downstream, upstream, we will do at last. When we are learning reducible method questions in depth of that one, then we'll do. Then this question we have done it, increase by decrease by this one, right? Then the length of the roots.
Yes,
One
sir. Yes,
question.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done. We have done.
Yeah, we'll do one question on this.
Okay, sir.
The length of a room exceeds the breadth by this one 3 meters. So length is, we will take it x, breadth is y. Clear? Clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then how we can do? The length of a room exceeds its breadth by 3 meters. If the length is increased by 3 meters and the breadth decreased by 2 meters, the area remains same. Find the length and breadth of the room. So I did not understand. Can you tell me now? The length of a room exceeds its breadth by 3 meters.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't. I also didn't get it. How?
Just think of.
By 3 meters.
You'll get some idea.
Sir, if we will take no, no.
There's nothing confusion.
Sir, length, if we will take breadth as x, then length will be x plus 3.
Then it will come linear equation, one variable only, no? We need a two variables,
Yes,
right?
sir. Two variables.
We need a two variables now.
Sir, no, sir. I can do it.
Look, this is simple. Let us, this is default one. This is default one.
Yes, sir.
So default one, x and y. So length is x meter, breadth is y meter. Then area. Area it will be xy. This is default, number one. No doubt in that.
Yes, sir.
So area will be xy meter square. Meter square. Okay,
Meter
case one.
square.
We go for case one. Case one. See what is said? The length of a room exceeds its breadth. So length will be now. The length of a room exceeds its breadth by 3 meters, and if the length is increased by 3 units and the breadth is decreased by 2 units. So let us take 2 units this one. So what I'm going to take it first one, take it, I'm taking x equal to y plus 3. Number one I'm taking. Case 2 I'm taking now.
Yes, sir.
Case 2, what is telling that length is increased by 3 units and breadth is decreased by 2 units, y minus t. Then he said the area remains calm. Are you understanding, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so multiply xy minus 2x plus 3y minus 6, which is equal to xy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Xy cancel. So minus 2x plus 3y, which is equal to 6. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
This is number 2. This is number 3. See, can we write x value in this?
Yes, sir.
When I write it, what will happen? Minus 2 into y plus 3 plus 3y, which is equal to 6. Then minus 2y minus 6 plus 3y, which is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 12, right? Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If y is equal to 12, then what is x value?
6.
15.
15, 15.
So have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
So starting what you said, I don't know, sir. I'm not getting. See, so far we are learning the area concepts. That's why you have confused a bit. But the cases what they have given, you are supposed to deal as like one by one. Don't like confuse with the previous questions and all.
Yes, sir.
So I hope so you're understanding me, right?
Yes, sir.
So any
Yes, sir.
kind of doubts in this so and so area?
No, sir.
Surely. Right. We'll go for next one more question, ma. Just a second.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is normal. This question is normal. And this question. This model we will do later. Sixth question also we know that. 7 also okay. Okay, then these questions okay. Then we'll go for angles. We'll go for angles. Yeah. Can you tell me how to do this question? In a triangle ABC, so we'll take the triangle. Triangle ABC. So, solution now. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how you are going to help me now? I don't know this question. Can you help me?
Mm,
See,
Thus, angle
yes,
C is given as 3 and angle B is also given as 2. So we have to send
it
and
is not given angle C value 3. It
so
is
it is given angle C is given 3.
angle C is equal to 3 into B.
Yes, sir.
3 into angle B. It is not angle C is equal to 3.
Yes, sir. Angle C is equal to 3 angle B and
Don't confuse one thing. Just I'm telling you clearly. See, there are the combinations I have. You can take this combination, you can take this combination, or you can take this combination. See, first I'm taking case 1. 3 into angle B is equal to 2 into angle A plus angle B. Got it?
yes, sir.
Now, 3 into angle B is equal to 2 into angle A plus 2 into angle B. Then angle B is equal to 2 into angle A because
B,
if
yes,
you
sir.
carry this side 3B minus 2B, which is 2A angle. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
So angle B is equal to 2 into angle A. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, another case, we will take it angle C is equal to 3 into angle B. Are you clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then from here, angle C is equal to 3 into angle B means angle 2 into angle A, right? So shall we write 2 into angle A?
Yes, sir.
Then we'll write 6 angle A, right?
Yes, sir.
So the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. We will take it that one. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180.
Yes, sir.
Angle A is angle A. Angle B is 2 into angle A. Angle C is 6 into angle A. So 9 angle A, which is equal to 180. Then angle A is equal to 20 degrees. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then angle B, 2 into angle A. It means 2 into 20, 40 degrees. Angle C, 6 into angle A. 6 into 20, 120 degrees. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So are we confused with this?
Yes, sir.
Are we confused?
No, sir.
Right. See, this question actually it is in your textbook, I suppose. You see here. See the question number 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So next, one more question. This question we will take it. Probably this will be the last question. See, one says give me 100. One says give me 100. Then I shall then become twice as rich as you.
Yes, sir.
So what do you understand from here?
Sir, one person says to his friend that he wants I shall give.
Say person A, person B.
Yes, sir.
Person A having X rupees. Person B have Y rupees.
Y rupees.
Y rupees. Using the information, what is telling that? Case 1. What is telling that? Give me 100. Give me 100. Who is asking? Person A is asking. So now person A has expressed 100 rupees. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
When you give 100 rupees, I shall become twice as rich as you. Now we have 100 rupees only. Now, see when you give 100 rupees donated, first case you have express 100. In this case, Y has 100 rupees less. Am I right, ma? Got it? So then express 100. which is equal to 2y minus 200. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. Correct? This is number 1. Next, case 2. The other one replies. What he said, give me 10 rupees. So now y has 10 rupees. So y plus 10. Now this case, x has 10 rupees less. So now when you give me 10 rupees, the other
Yes,
one,
sir.
10 rupees. So my amount y plus 10 and your amount x minus 10. So I shall be 6 times as rich as you. 6 times as rich as you. Are you clear
Yes,
now?
sir. Yes, sir.
So now it will be 6x minus 60 is equal to y plus 10. Then 6x minus y is equal to 70.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So then what we can do? We can do elimination method or we can do substitution method. So let us take x is equal to 2y plus minus 300. So I'm going to do substitution method. Then it becomes 6 into 2y minus 300 minus y is equal to 70. 6 to 1. 12y minus y. 11y minus 1800 is equal to 70. Then 11y is equal to 1870. Then y
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 170 rupees. Am I right, ma?
Yes, sir.
But we have x is equal to this one 2y minus 300. So 2 into 170 minus 300. So now
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 340 minus 300. Then x is equal to 40 rupees. So A has 40 rupees, B has 1.
170 rupees.
Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
So with this problem, actually, I'm stopping this one. Actually, today, what you have learned it, we have learned all the application-oriented questions from the textbook, and apart from that, addition questions we have done it.
Yes,
See,
sir.
it is mostly we have done it. This one fixed charges, variable charges, and time and distance. One question, and also some questions, and area of the rectangle questions we have done it, and
Yes, sir.
questions we have done it, and optional exercise last question we have done it. In the next class, we will do some more model problems. Then after that, okay, along with that graphical method and including reducible method also will do. So hardly
Yes, sir.
next class, I'll try to complete this lesson. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any doubts, ma?
No, sir.
So no doubts, right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.